And finally, I'm going to hit over the highway as he walks his way in the freeway. So it was a winning freeway, it was a purple accident, but no big accident, but it was a freeway. Alright, right now I'm gonna talk about Stenhouse Jr. Alright, well usually I don't see told him more about Stenhouse Jr. without really, and not really nothing to talk about for communication, because, well, I'm gonna tell you why.
Somebody loose going into the corner, locking up the brakes. It is the 20 car, and Danica Patrick is going to get into the rear of Ryan Truman.
Keep coming around, crank it up.
See, he made a big move on the start, but you kind of tell that he wasn't going to have that, and it just locked up the brakes. Looks like he had a lot of rear brake in the car. And Danica had nowhere to go.
Two outside there, two outside. Slow down, one in the grass. Slow down, go low. Keep coming there, keep coming.
Danica has made it back to pit road, Doc. And the issue, Marty, was the fact that the hood was bent up so far she could not see across the top of the hood. Basically, couldn't see the turns, having to drive out the side window, which is awfully tough on the road course. They pounded the hood down. They got to place Barabon on the side of the hood to try to get it to stay down and tape it down. No other significant damage other than the hood and the right front part of the nose. And Dr. Jerry Punch has reported during the break that she is headed for the garage area because, Andy, you're right, there is no water. There she is.
Oh yeah. And you saw he had nowhere to go, and he hit when Ryan was hit out of the racetrack. He would have nowhere to go, and boom, right in the car. That was him. And that's what rules say, have a lap one that you can win, so yeah. So that's why he really nothing to talk about compared to Sadler. Because he didn't even spin it lap one. Because what happened, so yeah. So he called it away and 22, and he sent it in last week, 44. Yeah, now who's saying he said how fast way. Alright, now I'm going to try a final lap of the week. So you can see who won the week today. Here's the final lap.
Just a slight tap, and Edwards goes all the way to the wall, and we got a drag race down to one. If you're going to draw it up and say this is how you make a pass for the lead, right there it is. And give the spot back to the 22 of Keselowski, and here comes the cross under move. Up through the S's. Boy, Carl made it work. And he's back in front. Heading for turn number 6. It is still Carl Edwards and Brad Keselowski. Keselowski, as Carl goes a little wide. Try that high side. You're out of turn 7. Don't see this happen, man. Oh, and man, right up against the wall. White flag. I think got against the wall coming off 7. White flag is out, so 1 lap to go. And you got to get it because anything can happen if you create a caution flag here on this last lap. Sam gets up over the curb, so does Stenhouse. Carl gets a big run up through the S's. Hornish is driving the wheels off that 12 car. Coming down the straightaway, heading for the inner loop. Edwards has opened up a sizable gap. Keselowski in second, Hornish third, then is Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Hornish all over the 22. He's got his teammate. There, put the bumper to that 22, try to pick up another spot. Heading for turn 6, there's only 2 corners left. missed the corner easily. And boy, what a welcome back to the NASCAR Nationwide Series. The former champion is going to win here at Watkins Glen.
Great job, guys. Yeah, awesome job, Starlanders. Awesome job.
His 38th career win. His first win at Watkins Glen in the NASCAR Nationwide Series, and the first for Roush Fenway in the Nationwide Series at the Glen.
Alright. How L making with her in her Nationwide Series, and he was away today. That is very sweet. I'm happy he won. I like how L. Alright. So now we'll tell you what her top 5 and her voices are, and where Danica Patrick is. So, Elliott Sadler to her point wheel. Ricky Stenhouse Jr. moves consistent. Hornish Jr. moves control. Hornish Jr. without control. And Watkins Apple is too thick. And Danica Patrick, he without in one at this point. And he's 297 points behind Elliott Sadler. So yeah, that's it for Danica Patrick. Alright, so how he 62 forward. Alright, so now next week is going to be over 18, and it's going to be at Montreal, and a 3-week, 4-week heat at 2 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the week is going to start at about 2:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it's going to be at ESPN. Alright, so I will talk to you guys in my next week's video. Bye.